Hi viewers, today our video is on the newspaper craft. You can learn new ideas of newspaper. You are watching as on the screen different ideas of the newspaper, old newspaper craft like oval, like jewelry box. As you watching on the screen, night lamp you can make with the old newspapers. You are watching a night lamp made with the old newspapers. You are watching a bicycle model. It's also made with the newspaper. You are watching another decoration piece, flowers, uh, newspaper craft. You are watching a pencil holder and with the jute rope and newspapers hold. You are watching another model of the decoration piece, table decoration. You are watching a nest of the birds made with the newspapers. You are watching another idea of the table made with the newspapers. You are watching a basket made with the cardboard and the old newspapers. You are watching another idea of the newspaper baskets. You are watching the hut made with the newspapers, beautiful. You can color it. You are watching jewelry box. You can color it as you like. You are watching a basket made with the newspapers, old newspapers. You are watching another jewelry box. You can save it your items. You are watching a photo frame, wall hanging. You can made it cardboard and old newspapers. You are watching another idea of the um, decoration. You are watching the tricycle made with the old newspapers. uh, you are watching the rug. You can made with the newspapers, old newspapers. You are watching multi items organizers made with the old newspapers. You are watching another basket, um, dustbin. You are watching a tissue paper box. You can watch made with the old newspaper. You are watching a handbag. You can also made with the old newspaper. You are watching a vehicle, car made with the old newspapers. You are watching another handbag. You are watching a table organizer, different items, stationary items. You can manage it. You are watching now a flower pot made with the old newspapers. You are watching a bird box made with the old newspapers. You are watching a doll, beautiful doll. You are can made it. You are watching a beer model of the beer, old